Atemba comes to town. Ozofia is in London. I saw Daudi and his bag. Hello, we are black together. Where are you from? Oh, Ghana. I'm a celebrity from Zimbabwe. I'm a comedian, a stand-up comedian. I've got 1.1 million views on Facebook and 1 million views on Instagram. You think I'm lying? I'm a celebrity. So if you don't think I'm lying, why are you not surprised? Do you know Nigeria? I went to Nigeria. Do you know Ngozi? Do you know Mama Nkosi? Oh, I'm disappointed in you. You're the only person who does not know Mama Nkosi. Oh, in this planet. Oh, you know people's choice in America. I won that award. I beat Sorenson. We are in the same category. And I won. You know, you think I'm joking. And this is my signature. Look. Do you want to try that? When I was in Nika, a smoking area. Iwe. Those is able to manage, man. But people must know. I am a comedian. Varungu must know I'm a comedian. Sukuskera ndichungu tsurwa. Iwe na ningirikini munongoskera mchinde tsura. Munondi tsurireko kuma European areas. Ndakutadza kuudza varungu ere.